tried it backwards yet today.
Dad, come film me from right here when Derek's done.
Huh?
Are y'all going individually?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's going first?
Megan.
Derek.
Have
Oh,
one of them
you.
bring the sled back up so Amanda can ride
Okay.
the sled down.
Go, Megan.
Ow! Ow!
You didn't go very far.
No, I didn't.
Well, come back up.
Derek, go ahead.
No, I'm waiting on you
No, go.
to successfully go down.
Go. Go and then bring the sled to Amanda.
Oh, shoot.
No, you can ride it. You can ride the sled down once. You can ride the sled once.
No,
Amanda ain't
Amanda.
got her chance yet. She got stuck.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not even in the path.
Moving forward.
Can somebody help me?
You're in the path.
You're in the path.
No, I didn't mean it like that.
You're in the path, Megan.
Move, Amanda.
Go!
Move, Amanda.